what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel.
My name is Ali Mvungi.
Ali Mvungi.
Born in 1947.
Born in 1947.
in Moshi Rural.
Moshi Rural.
Yes.
Currently, what's your age, my dad?
My age is 76.
He has 76 years age. So what a kind luck to talk to a man who is aged 76. We don't know when God will take us from this world, but it's a great opportunity to meet such people. It took me around 40 minutes requesting this man to talk to me on camera.
More than 2 hours.
More than 2 hours. He just telling me more than 2 hours. I was just requesting, could you please talk to me? So you people who will get a chance to see this video, I requested this man almost 2 hours. So there is something I want him to explain on my YouTube channel. Let me get to my point, my dad.
Yes.
You've told my people you are early, you're 76 years old. Where were you born in Tanzania?
I told you that I was born in Kahe in Moshi Rural.
He was born in Kahe. So what's your tribe?
My tribe is Mpare.
He's Mpare. So you people in the States, you people in India, you people in China, if you're coming from Moshi, here is our grandfather having his adventure in the Tanzanian trains, having a chance to vlog with me on my YouTube channel. There is something we are always told, all this gold, there is some gold I want to mine from his mines. There is something I want to ask him. I want him to compare his times and our time. Mr. Ali, thank you for talking to me. I pray to God to give you first a long age, an age without diseases. Do you know why I'm saying that?
No.
Because once God gives you a long age and you continue with this heart of helping others, of understanding others' needs, God is going to bless you.
Amen.
I don't know why God has made me meet you, but it's a very good opportunity to have a chance to talk to a such old man having 76 years old. So we are going to dig some gold from you. We are going to achieve what we are looking from you. So Mr. Ali, what's the difference of today's Tanzania 2022 and by the time we were born in 1942? What can we share from your experience?
1947.
1947. Yes. Yes. You know, that's it. We are making vlogs, so we are like, tell us where our country, in short time, where our country, when he was born, among the things that have changed in Tanzania. And we will come, we vloggers, we in a big percentage, we talk to the people who are not used to our country, who don't know anything about our country, and tell them what's going on. What's the difference when we were born and now? What has changed in terms of technology, people, culture? What has changed? Yes, in general.
The life has changed intensively.
The life has changed intensively. Thank you very much. How?
Formerly, we had a natural life.
We had a natural life. Yes.
You cultivate an acre.
Yes.
You invest a lot.
Yes.
But now, you can cultivate even 10 acres.
Yes.
And get 10 sacks or 10 gunias.
Yes.
For the whole family.
Yes.
By then we had a free education,
yes,
free life,
yes,
things like that.
Yes. How about technology in terms of transport? The transport we're using, for example, now we are vlogging in the trains.
Transport was very cumbersome because
Yes.
sometimes there was a bus going to the next destination. Once it is left,
Yes.
it is until tomorrow. You get another bus.
So
And once you miss it in the final destination,
yes.
it's another day, and you have to stay to somebody's neighbors in the town for a night,
Yes.
which will cost you food, accommodation, so and so.
You see,
Yes.
we are trying to understand that by the time he was a youth, by the time our country was growing up, if you miss a bus today, you need to wait until tomorrow. But now things have changed in terms of technology, in terms of transport. So how about in terms of food? Has our food changed?
And food was so abundant by then, and we were not using chemicals to produce food.
We are not using chemicals
We
to
were
produce
not.
food.
Everything was
Yes.
natural, and
You hear that?
And that defended our health.
Yes.
But nowadays,
by using natural foods, you are able to defend your health.
yes, but
That's very
now,
awesome.
but now you eat diluted water, solid, and foods used by fertilizers.
Yes, which are not very good for our health.
Drinks are vulnerable.
Yes,
Medicines are taking our health affairs.
yes.
Things like that.
How about the youth? We take this great opportunity to thank you for informing us that the foods by that time you were born,
They were so natural.
They were so natural.
Yes.
People never used a lot of fertilizer to make
Oh,
production.
manure, what?
Yeah,
Yes.
the drinks were pure. People,
Very pure. Drink from a river or a dam or something like that.
yes, the
There
water
were
they
no,
used to drink.
there were no wonderful diseases like this.
Yes, the diseases were not much as now.
No.
So I take this great opportunity to ask, how have things changed? Perhaps in terms of religious beliefs, how have people, perhaps are people following the God's beliefs? How have people changed by the time you were born and now? How do you see the response of people towards religion?
Anyway,
You should, hold on,
by then,
yes,
people knew a little bit about religion, but nowadays, religion is so free and open.
Yes.
But anyway, through youth,
yes,
people are not busy with God, they are busy with their own lives.
yes,
Once you wake up in the morning, you
Yes.
think about how to get to invest or how to get money.
yes,
But by then,
yes,
once you wake up, you
Yes.
go to a madrasa.
yes,
You know it.
yes.
You go to a madrasa.
Teachings of religion.
Yeah, religion.
Yes.
Once you finish the madrasa, you return home and get some tea or porridge or anything like that. By then you go to fetch water, to fetch some firewood.
So you want to tell me that the response to madrasa has reduced?
And nowadays it's been advanced, but
Yes.
it's road morally. But people are attending to that madrasa, but they're not so active as by then.
Thank you very much. So how can we try to see how have politics changed by your time and this time? How were politics carried out in our country? I want you to share by the time of your 40s, your 50s, how have politics changed till now? Because you were born while our country was still under colonialism. Yes, how has our country changed in terms of politics? You're welcome.
Politics.
Yes, sir.
I'm not very interested, and I'm not interested. I've prohibited myself
Yes.
in indulging in profit
Yes.
since 1973.
Since 1973,
I didn't
you
want
prohibited
to,
yourself
from
politics.
From politics, dances, cinemas,
Dances and cinemas, you prohibited your life from
those
that.
proceedings,
Yes.
the processions of Mandamano and so.
Yes.
Seeing cinemas, playing football. I was not in. I prohibited them in myself.
Yes, you prohibited
So
yourself.
I was living a wonderful life which nobody can understand except myself.
Thank you very much. You know one thing?
Yes.
When you're explaining and you're giving me your answers, one thing I like, you speak very nice English. God bless you to have this good fluent. At your age, you can still speak very fluently. You can still make a point for people to understand. I'm really very happy. I do make very short vlogs, short content, understandable. My YouTube subscriber, my YouTube viewer, make sure you subscribe that button, like my videos, share. I made this man from Kahe, he's 76 years old. I heard he can speak very good English, so I had to give him a chance to leave a record. I put this video for the kids, for the grandsons, for the daughters, for the sons. Your dad is incredible. Your dad can share everything.
I want to add something.
He wants to add something. You're welcome.
And my residence in Dar es Salaam since 1966.
Yes.
And
he was in Dar es Salaam since 1996. Thank you very much.
And I'm still staying there.
And he's still staying there.
I hold the family, which all of them have degrees and masters.
He has a family.
Even my wife is a degree holder.
Even the wife is a degree
except
holder.
myself. Because of dealing with them to advance,
yes.
So I didn't have time to deal with myself. And that is enough.
You see?
And they are taking care of me thoroughly. They don't want to work anywhere anymore.
What a chance. What a chance.
A full life.
My YouTube viewers, what a chance.
Full of vigor and vitality.
See this, he's still very strong and he has shared a part of his life. The wife has a degree,
everybody in my family.
He has educated the whole
wonderful.
family.
God has graced me.
He has no any profit of lying to me. We are just saying this to you to learn.
I've gone to Mecca for 3 times.
He has gone to Mecca 3 times.
And I'm going next 2 weeks to go. I'm ready.
You're ready to go again.
Yeah, I've paid everything.
Thank you very much.
I'm going for a visa and an itinerary for travel.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you for seducing me.
Thank you. I'm good at seducing. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We are just trying to enjoy our video.
Of course.
We're just trying to put memories. The person I met, I don't know where the family is, but I know through this video, I'll one day visit his family. I'll one day talk to the family in large. I'm a young YouTuber. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos. I'm going to create a good thumbnail. I'm going to create a good title so that I can push my video on my page. Please, thank you.
Let's hope for the best.
Thank you very much.
And all the best for you all.
He has promised to pray for me, my channel to grow.
Very
so
important.
You people,
very important.
You are welcome in my platform. I just wanted to share small things he has experienced in his life when he was born and now, in religion, in politics, in transport measures, in food, and health services. Let him complete with these health services. My grandfather, my father.
Yes.
What has changed by the time you were born and now into health services? For my fans, and we finish our video. We are now 13 minutes speaking.
From healthy wise.
Yes, healthy wise.
In the early days, health was very free. You go to a dispensary,
yes.
You get a treatment free of charge.
Free of charge, yes.
Even if you can be sent there free of charge and sent back free of charge.
Yes.
Education is very free.
Yes.
From primary to secondary school. But now, every moment is money.
Yes.
Now.
So, I don't want him to speak much. He's saying he has a lot in his head. Thank you very much for Mr. Ali for making a vlog with me. I am going to keep this information very delicate and post it on my YouTube channel. You guys need to subscribe my work. You guys need to make my channel monetized. I can't forget to say that I created this YouTube channel 1 year back, but I've started posting a month ago. So you guys need to watch all the vlogs that I've made. I don't necessarily meet people from West, from Europe to make vlogs with them. I also consider these beautiful aged men, these beautiful people of my country. You just look at these old men, very educative, fluently speaking English. We want to reach you there. We want to reach you guys and join our life and join our journey. Please, I would just want to give him his last chance to say anything to the camera, to say anything to the family, because these videos will be found by the family after he's not here even alive. So you're welcome. Talk something to your family, leave something for your family. You're welcome, my dad. general, yes.
I urge people to take care of their lives, to stay safe with everybody, to control the family and the neighbors that are surrounding them. Here, take heed to religion, take heed to the world with precautions. That's my way.
Thank you very much. I don't want to ask him anything else. I just want to thank him. Thank you for what you have given me in these precious 15 minutes. God bless you.
Allah bless it.
Thank you very much. He's kissed my hand. He has shown a lot of love to me. Bye. See you in another video. Make sure to watch all the videos and subscribe to my work. You're welcome. Thank you very much. Bye.